You all know how I am about lemon. Does not give you pine cleaner. It does give you that cake lemon scent, but it is really good. It is so good, and I wish that it had. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review, and today we have a okay, I'm just gonna say it. We have a Bath and Body Works haul. Well, if you're not new to my channel, I wasn't supposed to go back to Bath and Body Works until SAS. But if you're interested, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber. And on this channel, we review fragrances and body care. And we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family. Hey, brothers, auntie, cousins, sisters, brothers, auntie, mama, papa. What's up, y'all? I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, we're going to get right into it because I'm not even supposed to be doing this. I know y'all looking at me like,
you lied to me.
Now, we done told you. I know. But see, what had happened was, don't you love it when people start off? So what had happened was, okay, this is what happened. I was minding my own business. I wasn't messing with anybody. I was minding my own business. I was scrolling on the site, not the even site. And then I was even on Instagram. Okay? I was just scrolling and rolling. I wasn't even thinking about Bath and Body Works, okay? Because I've been good for quite a while. But then, this top offer came in. I'm telling you what happened. Top offer came in, and it said, and I screenshot it, because I just wanted to make sure that you all knew it wasn't just my fault. It said, due for a spring refresh. And it said, all moisturizing body wash. Now what? Who are you talking to? All moisturizing body wash, all body butters. What in the world? And scrubs is $6.95. They got me. They got me. And y'all know, if you are not new to this channel, y'all already know. What your sis get? Moisturizing body wash, body butters, scrubs. Okay. They played me. And so then they made me go and click on the offer. And then stuff ended up in my cart. And then that's why we here today. So it's not all my fault. And we gonna stick to it, okay? Well, I have just a little haul. Just wanted to show you all some of the things that I've recently got from Bath and Body Works from that $6.99 sale. Okay. Had to get that off. Okay, so we have this Calm Haven, and this is a lavender and iris, and this says it's a whipped body butter. Okay? I like a good whipped body butter. And it is very calming and, with that lavender. So I'm thinking when I have a chill day, this would probably be something that I will definitely enjoy. So pick that up. Sticking with the body butters, I have the Gingham Gorgeous, and this is also a whipped body butter. Oh, this smells so good. So this has pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blossom. So this is very good. Absolutely perfect for spring. Absolutely perfect for that fruity floral fragrance that you're trying to pair. This is really good. Highly suggest that. Um, and then I believe it was AI. I believe AI was talking about this Neroli, Blossom, and Bergamot. And I decided to get the whipped body butter. I can't remember exactly which, maybe it was the fragrance she was talking about, but I wanted to get the body butter. So I'm excited to try this out, test this out. This is also a whipped body butter. So got that in my purchase. And also with this purchase, I also got the Uplifting Boost. And this is a salt body scrub. Now, I've not experienced a salt body scrub, I don't think. And so it's sealed. So there you go. But I'm excited to see what this does. I've never believe I experienced a salt, again, body scrub. So cool on that. And then, oh my goodness, they have the Sandalwood and Vanilla. And this is also a salt body scrub. But I could not find the body butter of the Sandalwood Vanilla. I think I would love that. So are they going to come out with one down the line? Yeah, I didn't understand that. I mean, I need a whipped body butter for this. Like, why can't we do the same as we doing for homie over here? Anyway, I'm excited to even smell this and test this. I love a good sandalwood. I love a good vanilla. I know this is probably going to pair very well with a lot of my fragrances that I have. So I am totally all in and excited about this one. Absolutely. So let's move on to the moisturizing body washes that I picked up. And some of them I already have, and I wanted to re-up on the scent. So, watermelon mojito. Okay, I already have one of these. But I needed a backup. Because this is good. This is good. This is a good watermelon, good juicy watermelon at that. This is such a good fragrant of a scent. Like, this is amazing. So we have watermelon soda, pink rum, and cane sugar, okay? Even the body spray, amazing. I love that scent. And then also a re-up I got was the Golden Mango Lagoon. This, I am excited. I wanted to get a backup because I have tons. I feel not tons, but I have quite a few mango fragrances that are now in my collection. And so I really can't wait to pair that together. So I'm excited about that. Who gonna be smelling good? You gonna be smelling good, girl. You gonna be smelling good. You gonna be smelling. I don't know. And then I have Among the Clouds. This is also a backup bottle because I have one, but this is so good, okay? And this has wild berry skies and whipped vanilla clouds. This is so good, especially for this season, this spring or whatever it wants to do. I don't know if it wants a storm, right? Whatever it wants to do, okay? Cold, hot, weather, what you trying to do? Anyway, like weather is on here. So this is Among the Clouds, but this is really good. I'm so glad I got that. And then I have the Gingham Gorgeous. I have this in the moisturizing body wash. So again, that strawberry note, I'm excited to definitely take part in this, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, of course, and I just had to get the randomness stuff. So I did get the Ice Lemon Pound Cake Candle. And I will tell you, I got this because this is if you all seen my empties video, this is actually a repurchase and I enjoyed it. And it was definitely projecting and it announced your presence, okay, throughout my house. This was a really good candle. Okay, I told you all I had the guy come in and fix my garage door because, of course, everything want to just stop working at the same time. Anyway. The man came, fixed my garage door, and he was like, oh my gosh, what is that smell? And this is what I was burning, the Ice Lemon Pound Cake. So I definitely saw this, and I was like, you know what? Let me get another one, okay? Because I want to save it for next year because I told you all I'm done with candles. But I just had to get this. I definitely had to get a backup of this. Probably didn't have to, but I did. Then, of course, I have heard tons about this one from AI, from so many different creators have talked about this. And so I wanted to get the ice lemon pound cake and try it because I enjoyed the candle. I wanted to see what was going to do on my body. So I have not worn this yet, but spraying it does give me like, and you all know how I am about lemon. Does not give you pine cleaner. It does give you that cake lemon scent, but it is really good. It is so good. And I wish that it had the body cream, but I could not find the body cream. I can only find the lotion. And I'm really not into Bath & Body Works lotion. To each his own. It's just not my thing. I like a heavier whipped type of body butter cream and stuff. But I couldn't find it. So it's gone for now. If it comes back, let me know. Let just know in the comment section that it's back. But for now, I didn't see it. But that was the only... I did good, right?
I mean, it's all right. Like...
That's the only body spray that I got in this haul. Okay? Moving on. Well, that's all, family. That is all for this quick Bath & Body Works haul. Hey, what have you gotten lately from Bath & Body Works? Are you going to be doing the SAS sale? So I know it's coming in. I think somebody said June 3rd or something like that. It's coming on a Saturday. Are you all going to partake in SAS? I would love to know. I don't know yet. I'm still going back and forth in my mind of if I am or if I'm not. Because I have so much that I've purchased throughout the year. But somebody was like, this is going to be like classic. Like it's going to be one for the season. We're going to have all these candles of it and all this. And I'm just like, I got the candles. And, well, I got that. But I might check it out. So I might check it out. But I don't know if I'm going to be doing like a big haul of Bath & Body Works for SAS. But I don't know. Jury out on that. Because clearly I said I wasn't going to do Bath & Body Works until the SAS. And y'all see what just happened. Just pray for me. Well, that is all, family. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to... yeah, yo sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.